In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Asana support. Whether you're facing an issue with Asana, or you simply have some questions about their features, being able to get in touch with their support team can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll see the login page if you're not already signed in. Simply enter your email address in the provided field. Make sure it's the same email address you use for your Asana account, as this is crucial for logging in. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to click on the Continue button. This action will prompt the site to recognize you and take you to the password entry page. Here, you'll need to input your password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. So just follow those instructions if needed. With your password correctly entered, simply hit the login button. It'll open up your Asana homepage, and from here, the process of contacting support begins. Look around your homepage for the help icon, which typically looks like a question mark. This icon is your gateway to all things support related within Asana. Once you've found the help icon, click on it. This will reveal a menu with various support options. Look for and select the contact support option. This button is your direct line to getting the assistance you need for your queries or issues with Asana. Now you should see a chat icon pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open the Asana support chatbot, a nifty tool designed to address a wide range of common concerns or to help connect you to a live support agent if your issue needs further assistance. That's it. You're now set up to get the help you need from Asana support. Remember, clear communication is key, so describe your issue or question as thoroughly as possible when you engage with the support team. They're there to help you get the most out of your Asana experience, and a detailed explanation will enable them to offer the best guidance. And there you have it. Those are the straightforward steps for reaching out to Asana support quickly and effectively. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this guide helps streamline your experience when interacting with their support team. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.